In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate your sheets in Smartsheets. If you've ever wanted a clean starting point based on an existing sheet, maybe for a new project, a monthly reset, or to test changes without touching live data, duplicating is the fastest, safest way to do it. First, open the sheet you want to copy so you're looking at it in the main view. Take a moment to confirm you've got the correct one, because the duplicate will mirror what you're seeing today. Now look to the very top left of the sheet, right next to the sheet's name. You'll see a vertical three-dot icon, also called the More or Overflow menu. Click that vertical dot icon. In the menu that opens, click Duplicate. That's it. Smartsheet will instantly create a separate copy for you. Once you've clicked Duplicate, watch for the new sheet to appear in the same folder or workspace as the original. The name will look very similar to the original, so it's easy to spot. If you have a lot of items, you can use the search bar to find it quickly by typing the original sheet's name. The duplicate is its own sheet, so anything you change in the copy won't affect the original, and vice versa. That's the real power here. You can experiment, reorganize, or repurpose your layout with zero risk to your source. A couple of helpful notes as you work. If you don't see the duplicate option in that three-dot menu, you might not have the right permission level on the sheet, or your window might be too narrow and the interface could be collapsed. Try expanding your browser or checking your access with the sheet owner or workspace admin. Also, duplicating is a great way to preserve your structure, formatting, and overall setup. It's perfect when you want consistency from one initiative to the next. After your duplicate is created, it's a good idea to glance through the copy and make sure it aligns with your intent. For example, confirm that column types, formulas, and views look the way you expect. If you use automations, just be aware that your duplicate may carry the same logic, so consider whether that behavior suits your new use case. And if the sheet will be shared more broadly, double-check that the right people have the right access in the workspace or folder where the copy lives. And that's all there is to it. Click the vertical dot next to your sheet name, choose Duplicate, and you're ready to move forward with a fresh copy, fast, simple, and safe.